Let's assemble the printable, coffin-shaped, monster-themed favor boxes. This purple monster is just one of 6 designs available in the PDF. Start by printing off the PDF using the highest quality settings on your color printer, and then cut the boxes out along the solid lines. Once the box is cut out, you can begin folding along the dotted lines. I like to use a bone folder to help make my lines extra crisp, but you can also use like an old gift card or even just your finger. Fold each one of the tabs and the flaps back from the printed side of the paper towards the unprinted side. Follow along the dotted lines and try to ensure that the lines and the corners are crisp. Keep folding until you have created creases on all of the dotted lines on the lid of this favor box. Now it's time to start gluing. Locate the 2 tabs that are adjacent to one of the sides of the lid of the box. Those 2 tabs are going to be glued to the interior of that box size. Add a small amount of craft glue to each of those tabs, and then make sure that the fold of the tabs is directly aligned with the edge of that side of the box. This will make sure that you have sharp corners on all of the different angles of the favor box lid. Press the tabs to the paper a little bit to make sure that they are secured, and then repeat that process with the other sides of the box lid. Once all the tabs are glued to the correct sides, you can set the lid apart to dry. Now you're going to repeat a similar process with the box base. Again, fold on all of the dotted lines using a bone folder or a pencil or a gift card or something to make sure that those lines are very crisp. In order to make the box base sturdier, the sides consist of 2 tabs, the side of the box, and a flap. Add glue to the 2 tabs, which will be glued to the interior of the box side, and also add some glue to that outermost flap. Bend the side of the box back so that the edges are aligned with the edges of the tabs. Press those in place like you did with the lid. Then after those tabs are in place, bend the flap back over and sandwich the tabs in between the flap and the side of the box. This will keep those tabs extra secure and will add a little bit more structure to the side of the base of the favor box. Repeat that with the other 2 sides of the base. When the box base is assembled, you can set it apart to dry, and then once it's all finished, you can place the lid of the box on top of the base. Once you have the favor boxes assembled, you can fill them with party favors or Halloween treats. I added candy, stickers, and a spooky spider ring to my favor boxes, but these are great for a wide variety of party favors. I hope you enjoyed these printable monster favor boxes, and please let me know if you have any other questions.